All right, so there's no root, so I'm not changing anything into exponential form because it's already in exponential form. I'm going to find any negative exponents that might exist, and I'm going to move them first. So that has to go to the bottom. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this as x to the 5 halves, y to the 7 thirds, and then x to the 1 half, z to the 5 fourths. That whole thing is to the 2 thirds. Then I got a z to the 2 fifths, and then I've got a z to the 1 half. Now that z to the 1 half can really go any place. All right, I'm going to deal with this exponential power to the power situation here first. All right, I like to do that first if I can. So nothing happened to the top. Careful that I keep writing these fractions the same. So then I'm going to use my calculator to do these multiplications if I'm you, or I'm trying to make sure I get it right. This will be 1/3. This will be 5/6, and then z to the 2 fifths, and then z to the 1 half. Okay, so now I'm going to do, I like to multiply before I divide first. So I've got a z and a z and a z right there. All right, so that's going to get me to, that's going to get me to x to the 5 halves, y to the 7 thirds over x to the 1 third, and then z times z times z. So I'm going to add those exponents. So it's going to be z to the, then I'm just going to add them in the calculator rather than trying to do it in my head. 5/6 plus, or I got the 2 fifths and a half. 2 fifths plus 1 half. 26/15. All right, now the only thing I have that needs to get divided are the x's right there. I'm not going to get rid of this fraction. I'm still going to have y to the 7 thirds in the top, and I'm going to have z to the 26/15 in the bottom, and I'm going to have x to the whatever I get when I subtract that in the top. 5 halves minus, because I'm dividing, so it's subtraction. 1, whoops, 1/3, whoops. 13/6. My final answer. And again, a lot of stuff there. I have to be very, very careful, or else I'm going to have all kinds of bad things happen.